Hello, my name is Ina Kesselman and I'm the owner of Therapy Specialists. As more people are working from home during the COVID-19 crisis, it is imperative to ensure a proper ergonomic desk setup in order to prevent long-term injuries and pain. With my husband and our 4 kids working and studying from home for the past few weeks, we have had to set up 5 different workstations to fit each one of them properly. Please check out our educational video on how to design an ergonomic workspace in your home. You start with a chair. You should be sitting with your knees at 90 degrees of flexion or angle. Preferably, you should be using something to support your feet. If you don't have something like this for foot support, you could use phone books or a little stool to rest your feet on. The second, we're going to check your chair. As you move towards your desk, you should make sure, if you have a chair with adjustable armrests, your elbows should be supported on your armrests at 90 degrees of elbow flexion, preferably. You move yourself in and you lean back on the back support of the chair. Make sure you're not sitting at 90 degrees straight. Leaning the chair to about 110 degrees had shown in research to decrease pressure on intervertebral discs. The next step, after you have ensured that you lifted and raised the armrest of the chair to appropriate height for you, it is preferable to have a chair with swivel armrest. If you don't have it, most of the chairs at home don't have it. It's perfectly fine to have it at a neutral position, whatever your chair can accommodate you. The next thing we're going to check is their support for your wrists and positioning of the keyboard. The keyboard and the wrist rest, if you have one at home, should be positioned close enough so that your elbows can rest on armrest of the chair. If it's too far and you have to reach forwards, it's not a good positioning. So make sure to pull the keyboard towards you. The next thing is ensuring the height of your desktop monitor is appropriate for your height. So you can position a few textbooks or phone books to raise the keyboard off the desk. The height you should be looking for is the same line of your eyebrow and the inner border of the screen. So this is the most important thing to remember about when you are setting up your desk. If I didn't have the textbooks on the table, the monitor would be too low for me. I'm 5'2" and I already need 2 textbooks to lift it up. For someone higher, you can imagine that the monitor has to be much higher. Most monitors actually come with adjustable desk leg that you can slide the monitor easily up and down. Also important to remember to use a good ergonomic mouse. You can order it online even during the crisis. Do invest in it. It will improve your positioning of your hand and prevent pain in your thumb and hand in the long term. It is preferred to work on a desktop just like I presented, and you can connect your laptop, which most of us work on normally for short periods of times. It's easily connectable to the keyboard and to the monitor, and then you just rest your laptop on the desk, but you use this ergonomic setup for long-term work. It is preferred to have a light on the desk so that you can see the screen and the environment a little bit easier and you don't have to strain the eyes. The distance of the monitor from you should be something that feels comfortable to you. The depth of the desk also dictate how far you can go, but it shouldn't be all the way obviously to your face, but it should be comfortable for you to see so that you don't start to strain. If you have hard time seeing the text, enlarging the writing of the letters would also decrease the strain on your eyes and hopefully prevent headaches.